Hey guys, and welcome back. So the first week you're gonna tell me a little bit about you. So today's assignment, you're gonna create an About Me locker. So this is what mine, Miss Wallace's, looks like. It's about what music I listen to, what I like to do. I like to hike, I like to read, I like to spend time with my parents, and I love to go to Boone, North Carolina. So I'm gonna show you how to do your locker, so how to set it up. So it's step by step. You can follow these tips, and also if you have any questions, just send me an email, okay? So you're gonna go to your Google Slides, okay? So your Google Slides, and I titled mine About Me Locker. And so then you will go to create a blank slide. So you'll have a blank slide. You're gonna right click and you'll see this, and it'll say change background. You're gonna click on that. So where you see color, you're gonna keep it that white. You're gonna click choose image. So then you're going to scroll, you'll see upload, camera, URL, photos, Google Drive, Google image search. You're going to click on that one, and you're going to type in locker. Okay? So then you can just click one of these, and then you'll click on it and click insert. And then click done. And then you'll just insert your pictures. So insert image. So you can either do upload from your computer, which is the photos you have on your computer, or search bar. So let's say I want to search Boone, North Carolina. So then I'm going to click on it and click insert, and then it inserts. And then of course you can make it as big or small as you want. So your directions is it needs to be about you. It needs to be school appropriate. So like you can see mine. I did Luke Bryan, the Boone, okay, spending time with my parents, all that. So that's what it should look like. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know.